Hi everyone, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be how I spend my money when I went to Virginia. So if you guys have already seen my Virginia vlog, you guys know where I went and stuff. You guys will also know that we went for like 3 days and we were 4 people. Also, I want to add that I was really inspired by the video that Mridul Sharma did where she went to Goa and she had like 5,000 rupees budget. She also did one for Bali currently and it was for 45,000 rupees for like a week or something. So I'm gonna link both of her videos in the description. Let's just get started with the video. I know people like usually spend their most amount of money on like staying there or like traveling, but we spend our most amount of money on our food. So I'll walk you guys through like what we got. So we got snacks which was $52.98. So if you divide that, it's $13.24. We had Chick-fil-A, we had Pizza Hut, we went to Azelia Restaurant, we got Krispy Kreme donuts, we went to Hardee's, we went to Subway, we went to McDonald's, and we also got ice cream. So the Chick-fil-A, we divided how like what we ordered and stuff. I only got like coffee and fries, so for me it was $2.79. For Pizza Hut it was same for each person, which was $252. Like the total was $10.11, so per person it was $252. And the Azelia Restaurant, the total was $81.11, so per person it was $20.27. For Krispy Kreme donuts, it was $20.40 total. So if you divide that by 4, it was $5.03 for each person. At Hardee's, I just got the fries, so it was $2.40. At Subway, it was $4. And the Lolly's ice cream was $7. And the McDonald's, I only got fries, which was $2.50. And we also had like other snacks, which was $2.75. So if you add that all up, that's gonna be like $60.25. So that's food. And then the transportation, you could either go by flight or by road. We decided to go by road because we all like road trips. So we paid the toll, which was $14 total. So if you divide that, that's like $350. And we also we have to get like gas, which is petrol, and that was $44 total. So if you divide that by 4, that's gonna be like $11 per person. Also the hotel we stayed at, like I got it under discount because my dad's friend, he has a motel business, so like I got discount through him. So for 3 days and 2 nights for both of the rooms, the total was only $126 with tax. So if you just divide that by 4, it's gonna be $31.50 per person. Okay. And the travel, like the money we spent doing different activities in Virginia. So we went to dolphin watching, which was $24.38. We also got like a photo there, so that was $2.25. We went to mini golf, which was $5.25 per person because we got it under discount. When we went to beach, we got this tent umbrella, which was $25. So if you divide that by 4, that's $6.25 per person. And we also had to like pay at the beach parking, which was $5, I think. So if you divide that, that's $1.25. So if you add everything up, that's $39.38. I just rounded up to $40. Okay. And the last thing is shopping. I got this one shirt. I'll put like picture on the screen. That was like $12. And I also got this fridge magnet, and that was for $3. So if you add that up, that's $15. So if you add everything like transportation, hotel, food, travel, and shopping, if you add that, it's gonna be $161.25. I just said the total was $175 because like something can just go wrong, and you always need like little money to like use it somewhere. I don't know. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. I hope this video will be useful when you go to Virginia. I hope you can use this video as a reference, seeing like where you want to go and stuff. And if you guys want to keep watching more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!